Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clear search suggestions in your Instagram. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram application and click on the More option from the bottom left corner. After clicking on More, you simply have to go to Settings. Step 2, open the Meta Account Center. Now, after going to Settings, you just simply have to navigate through the Meta Account Center and click on the Your Information and Permissions button here. Step 3, tap on the search history and clear it. After going to Your Information and Permissions, you can see the search history option here. You simply have to tap into that and click on the blue Clear All Searches button. By clicking that button, Instagram will give you the option to clear all searches. You just simply have to select the time range and click on the Clear All Searches button. After doing this, Instagram will clear your search suggestions. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.